Oke, selamat datang di channel Maja Viral. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel ini, guys. Dan seperti biasa, saya akan berdoa agar kalian diberikan kesehatan dan kesuksesan. Nah, kali ini seperti biasa saya mengajak kalian mereaction Putri Ariani lagi, guys. Dan ya, kita harap Putri Ariani semakin sukses ke depannya dan semakin diperlancarkan nanti di acara audisinya. Semoga menjadi yang terbaik dan yang terbaik lagi. Nah, oke, kali ini kita akan mereaction sebuah video yang akan kita jadikan pembelajaran dan pengamatan kita semua, guys. Oke, tanpa terlalu banyak cerita di depan, link video original ada di deskripsi paling bawah. Yuk kita menonton videonya, let's go, guys.
Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih sudah klik video ini. Oh iya guys, saya mau nanya, jika kalian mendukung Putri Ariani atau fans beratnya Putri Ariani, pertanyaan saya, berapa banyak video yang sudah kalian tonton di channelnya Putri Ariani? Ya, tulis komentar kalian di bawah video ini. Nah guys, kalau mereka orang luar negeri excited, sangat bersemangat untuk memburu video Putri Ariani, bagaimana dengan kalian? Contohnya aja salah satu reaktor dari luar negeri ini. Dia terlihat sangat bersemangat untuk mencari dan juga memburu video-video Putri Ariani di channelnya. Nah guys, kali ini bagaimana ya ekspresi seorang reaktor dari luar negeri ini menemukan video Putri Ariani yang memang mungkin kalian belum lihat? Seperti apa videonya? Baik, tanpa berlama-lama lagi, langsung kita cek ke videonya. Let's go. Hi bro.
But today we're reacting to another cover of her, where she is singing "Here's Your Perfect" by Jamie Miller. I don't know if I actually know the song. I mean, we'll find out once I start reacting to it. But yeah, because all my reactions, guys, they're all natural. I haven't seen the video before.
Jadi
You know, I like to do all
melihatnya,
natural
guys.
reactions because I feel like it's a better reaction. I'm not faking anything. I'm not that kind of guy. So everything that you see is all legit, first time, everything just like that. But anyway, guys, before I start the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you are new. Of course, thank you for hitting 50,000 subscribers. It's been crazy recently. The channel has been popping off way more than it has been in a long time. I mean, we did a few years ago where we were going really crazy, but we're picking it up again after I got remonetized. So thank you. Yeah, we've been popping off crazy. So if you haven't subscribed already and you're watching my videos, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button. It means the world to me. And let's get to 52,000 subscribers. And I'll be a very happy man. And if we're already on 52,000 by now, I want 53,000. We're going for 100k eventually. So if you want to join the journey, hit that subscribe button. Also comment down below what else you want me to react to. And now we'll just get into the reaction video. I may pause it throughout the video just to give my initial reaction. But I'm very excited. We know she's very talented. And we already know this video is got to be a banger. So let's react to it. In 3, 2, 1, bam.
Wow, dia punya harapan ya. Ayo dong bantu support dia, subscribe ke channelnya.
Oh, I know this song. I know it.
Now it's crossed out in red, but I still can't forget if I wanted to.
Beautiful, soft voice.
And it drives me insane. Think I'm hearing your name everywhere I go.
Hey, the vocals there.
It's all in my head. It's just all in my head.
Wow, beautiful control.
But you won't see me break.
Okay.
Call you up in 3 days or send you a bouquet saying it's a mistake. Drink my troubles away. One more glass of champagne, and you know I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect.
Oh, I gotta pause it there. The vocals on there. I'm not perfect. Ooh, okay. Oh, beautiful. Actually, so beautiful, man. Unbelievable. But yeah, I do know the song, so that's a plus. But yeah, her voice is so soft in this. It's so delicate. It's just like beautiful rather than anything. Out of everything, it's just so nice and beautiful. And she's got some vocals, very good control. And this was like before Brindle Town. This was over a year ago, I'm pretty sure. So you can see like how crazy the development has been. Like she was already amazing before she even was on Brindle Town. She was amazing before like any kind of, I don't know her background. I don't know about her training. All I know is that she's a very talented piano, keyboard player and singer. And of course she's blind. and just the natural talent that she has is crazy. I wonder in her like family history if she has any other like singers or musical talent, because normally like it can skip a generation, so like your like older people in your family history might have the same talent and it's come back to you, so your parents might not have it but the ones before them might have it. But anyway, I'm getting carried away. But yeah, amazing singer, and it's such a beautiful song to sing as well. So let's just react to more of it. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, bam.
And
Iya,
you're
ulang
the
lagi
first
ya.
to say you want the best thing, but now I know a perfect way to let you go.
Yeah.
Give my last hello,
Hey.
hope it's worth it.
I love this song as well.
She like me.
It's your perfect.
Oh, she's got such a beautiful voice.
My best was just fine. I would try to be great for you.
Gelengan kepalanya itu membuat
Nice.
kita bisa melihat dia tuh menikmati sekali ya.
Love to remind me no matter what I do.
Hey.
Suaranya kencang.
But you won't see me break who you up in 3 days or send you bouquets saying it's a
love this
mistake.
lyric.
Drink my troubles away, one more glass of champagne.
Apa kalian melakukan hal yang sama guys saat mendengarkan suara Putri Ariani seperti ini?
You're the first to say that I'm not perfect, and you're the first to say you want the best thing.
Hey, do you see what she did there? I'm gonna pause it. She says, "I'm not the best thing." I love that little vocal one she does there. It's so on time and it's so perfect the way she does it. It's unbelievable how talented she is. Like, that's the one thing I won't get over. She's just so. It's unbelievable. Like, it's just so, the vocals that she has is just so crisp. It's so on time. It's so, like the song, perfect. But yeah, one thing I also do love about this, I mean, I don't know if she's part of the, I mean, she's not going to be part of the editing, but I love how they put the lyrics beside it as well. So it's like having captions without the captions. So I mean, it's English for me anyway, so it's fine. But I love the way they have captions next to it, because it just makes it better. You feel like you want to sing along to it. You want to sing with her, but you know every word, so you can understand the song. You can understand the emotion, because there is a lot of emotion in this song, and you can tell that every song she sings, it seems like she has feelings. It's like she wrote the song. Like, she has so much passion for singing, and the passion for the songs that she sings, it seems like she made it herself. Like, there's so much passion into it. But anyway guys, that's the last time. I'm gonna pause it. We're just gonna enjoy the rest of it. So let's react to the rest of it in 3, 2, 1, bam.
But now I know
Tidak perlu Anda lakukan itu bro. Langsung aja.
Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect, and you're the first to say you want the best thing. But now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. Say
Wow.
but now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it.
Wow.
Is you perfect?
That's beautiful. That was so well done. For a cover, that's probably one of the best covers, especially of this song, that you can do. But when she does the "Give my last hello," that was like, but it's a bit higher than that, but my voice can't go that high. But what's her name? Olivia Rodrigo. If you listen to Driver's License, she does the same high vocals in there, so it's the same as that's like more Olivia Rodrigo style. It's so beautiful. It's a very classic pop vocal to use when you're singing pop songs, which this is, so it makes a lot of sense. But it's very, very nice, very, very beautiful, very talented singer. Anyway guys, that's in the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Of course, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below what else you want me to react to, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Peace. Oke bro, terima kasih telah memberikan komentar baiknya kepada Putri
Oke
Ariani.
guys, kita deskripsikan sendiri ya. Jadi pria bule atau orang luar negeri yang pria luar negeri tadi yang masih muda itu, dia baru pertama kalinya melihat video Putri Ariani. Jadi dia tidak akan menambah-nambah ekspresinya. Jadi itu adalah ekspresinya yang secara natural gitu ya guys. Dan dia juga sangat-sangat mengagumi cara cover dari Putri Ariani tersebut karena ada tambahan-tambahan kecil yang sangat-sangat bagus sekali guys, dan itu membuat dia sangat-sangat berkesan juga. Dan memang ya kita akui memang penghayatan dari cover Putri Ariani ini sangat-sangat penjiwaannya ini sangat-sangat gak ada tandingannya guys, karena dia membawakan lagu pasti dengan perasaannya. Dia bisa membawakan lagu yang biasa-biasa saja menjadi sangat-sangat dalam sekali guys, dan ya itulah namanya emosional dan penghayatan sebuah lagu gitu ya. Jadi ya, apa tanggapan kalian? Kita berdiskusi di kolom komentar. Sekian video yang bisa saya bagikan, dan mungkin jika ada kesalahan kata dari saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.